Setting a new condenser isn't just about dropping it in place. It's about thinking ahead, airflow, service access, clean piping, and a tight, leak-free seal. All of it matters. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it right, step by step, starting with getting this condenser set into position. With the old unit gone, we start by placing the new condenser. We've only got about 6 inches of clearance on this side, just enough for the minimum. But that's why positioning matters. Even in a tight spot, we make sure there's adequate airflow and space for service later. The goal? Set it today in a way that won't frustrate anyone down the road. Now for the suction line. We guide it from the existing pipe over to the service valve. Every bend needs to be smooth. No kinks or sharp turns. Once it is where we want it, we strap it in. The strap locks it steady so we can work hands-free. Then we deburr the end to clean out any rough edges and swage it for a snug, perfect fit. Solid prep here makes brazing seamless later. Next comes the liquid line. Same process. Bend, strap, deburr, swage. But here's where we install the filter dryer. This is a system's insurance policy. It traps moisture and debris before they ever reach the coil. One rule though, the arrow always faces inwards, towards the evaporator or air handler. Get that wrong and you choke the system before it ever runs. Before we braze, we remove both straighter cores. This does two things. It prevents pressure buildup inside the lines and keeps us from melting those cores with the torch. Then wet rags go on the service valves for extra protection. With nitrogen connected to the suction valve, we set it to a steady 3 to 6 psi purge. Now we're ready for heat. We start brazing on the suction line. Smooth, even heat until the braze flows and seals perfectly. With nitrogen running, the copper stays clean. No oxidation, no junk inside the line. Next, we move nitrogen to the liquid side and braze those joints, including the filter dryer. Same steady process, clean, tight, no rush. This is where the craftsmanship shows. If you're still watching, I know you care about doing this work the right way. I do too. Drop a comment and tell me how you tackle tight installs like this. Your tips might help someone else watching. And while you're here, hit like, share with another tech, and subscribe so we can keep growing this trade together. Now, upstairs at the air handler, it's back to basics. We bend the suction line neatly into place, deburr the cut, and swage it clean. Same process, different location. Then, the liquid line. Deburr and swage. No filter dryer up here, just clean prep for a clean braze. Nitrogen still flowing from the suction side downstairs. With the liquid straighter core removed, we braze both attic joints, slow and controlled, keeping everything protected with wet rags where needed. When everything cools, we pressurize the system to 400 psi. We'll let it sit for 30 minutes. It's a perfect time to take lunch or clean up. If the gauge holds steady or creeps up slightly, you know it's sealed tight. Any drop, you hunt it down now, not after a vacuum, not after a charge. From placement in tight clearances to suction and liquid line runs, filter dryer install, brazing with nitrogen, and pressure test holds. This is how you set a system up right. Now that we've got a sealed system holding strong, the next step is where it all comes together. Deep vacuum, charging, and firing it up for the first time. You won't want to miss it.